Namaskar, welcome to Tasty Town Recipes. Today I am preparing quick recipe garlic toast and corn cheese sandwich. This bread toast is crispy outside and soft inside with various flavors. In a short time, yummy and tasty breakfast or snacks will get ready. At first I am preparing garlic butter. Here I am taking 1 tablespoon butter and 1/8 teaspoon of chopped coriander leaves. Mix the butter very well. Now add 1/8 teaspoon garlic powder. If you don't have garlic powder form, then you can use fresh garlic too. This is unsalted butter, so I am going to add a pinch of Himalayan pink salt. Stir it very well. Garlic butter is ready to use. Now take roti or dosa pan. I am keeping iron pan at the low heat. I am cutting all the 4 sides of the bread slice, but you can use as it is. Apply butter generously on top of the bread slice. Put the butter side bread on top of the tawa. Do the same on another bread slice. After a minute of roasting, apply garlic butter on top of each bread. Let it sit on the pan 1 to 2 minutes. After that, turn it upside down. Don't over roast at the bottom. Around 30 to 40 seconds, turn upside down again. At this moment, I am going to add each slice on top 1 teaspoon of garlic butter. Now put bread slice on top of the other, as I shown in the video. Now the crispy garlic toast is ready to serve. Now I show you how crispy it is. Hear it. Mouth-watering garlic toast is ready to eat. For corn cheese sandwich, I am taking sweet corn. This corn has 2 types of corn kernels, yellow and white. In a small pan, I am taking half a cup of corn kernels. Add a half teaspoon of butter. Mix the butter, then add according to your taste pinch of Himalayan pink salt. Fry the corn at low heat up to 2 to 3 minutes. Take 2 bread slices, apply butter on top. Roast the bread on tawa at low heat. After a minute, roast the bread another side too. Now, as I shown in the video, apply garlic butter on top of both the bread slice. Now spread fried corn kernels on top of the 1 bread slice. Put some chopped green capsicum on top of the corn kernels and mozzarella cheese on top. For the second bread slice, I am applying a teaspoon of mint sauce. Now overlap the bread on top of the other. Cover the lid for 2 to 3 minutes at the low heat. Have a look, perfect golden brown color. Wow, so yummy, cheesy corn sandwich is ready to eat. Try this recipe today and do comments below in the comment box. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.